Kasi sabi ko, na-frustrate ako. Gusto ko talaga i-celebrate yung aking anniversary sa show business. Because very rare naman, di ba, na makaabot ka na medyo active ka pa in show business and 40 years. So I think every, 50, whatever, it has to be celebrated, especially now. But, yun nga, my last message about Haji Alejandro was with the heavy heart really that I was writing it. Sabi ko, bakit ganun? Parang susunod-sunod naman yung mga performers, mga singers. And nakakalungkot talaga. Lalo na kay talaga umiyak ako kay Tita Pilita kasi idol ko siya talaga eh. Ang mga idols ko when I was starting my career, I was looking up to Pilita, Celeste Legaspi, and Cooley Desma. Sila yung mga inidolo ko talaga. So, tapos when Haji passed, nag-TNT kami the other day, nakita ko si Nonoy Ziniga. Noy, healthy ka naman ha? Healthy ka ha? Tapos nakita ko si Marco Sison, Marco, healthy ka ha? Natatawa rin sila. Sabi, huwag ka na mapraning. Sabi ko, nakakapraning eh. Alam mo na, nagsunod-sunod naman kasi.